Hi, I'm Kevin Preston with Boniface Hiers Auto Group, and I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Challenger 2023 Black Ghost Special Edition. People ask me, why do they call it the Black Ghost? Well, back in the early 70s, the muscle car racing era was at its peak, and there was nowhere it was more at its peak at than in Detroit. Godfrey Qualls had a 1970 Dodge Challenger with a 426 Hemi engine. It was painted black, the engine was black, this car would show up, he would dominate the street racing scene, then he would speed off into the night, disappear for months at a time. In 1975, the car disappeared, never to be seen again. When you're sitting in the driver's seat, one of the things that's going to stand out to you immediately is going to be the nice carbon fiber wrapped center console and instrument cluster. The gauges are a red-faced racing style background. It's an 8.4 inch Uconnect screen, and the Alcantara suede wraps out the door panels as well, giving a nice racing style interior to this absolute performance machine. Dodge produced 7 final edition vehicles, the Black Ghost being one of those. They made 300 Black Ghosts. That equates to one for every 8 Dodge dealers, as there's almost 2,500 Dodge dealers in the United States. We were lucky enough to get one of the few that were allocated to the state of Florida. All of that means that this is going to be a very sought after and collectible vehicle for generations moving forward. The designers started out with your standard run-of-the-mill SRT Hellcat Red Eye, complete with the wide body kit, allowing those 11-inch wheels and nearly 12 inches of tire to fit underneath, giving you a proper contact patch to get that power down to the ground. I hope you enjoyed the 2023 Black Ghost as much as I did. To see other videos just like this, subscribe to our channel, and to see this car, come visit us at Boniface Hiers Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Cocoa, Florida.